or treat!
Bilang ilang candy bibili.
Report talaga to.
Why are you counting the candies that you're giving out, mister? Oh, cool!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
You guys are done?
Yeah.
Your turn.
Flash, soldier, and witch. Look here. Turn on the light, please.
Oh, this is a tattoo?
Look here, guys.
Okay. Finally.
Kevin, go over there. Oh, cool.
Going around the street?
Dad, we're done.
Kevin,
I'm just looking.
how about your candies? We have to go over your candies, guys. Here.
Cool. Do you have blanket and bumblebee? Dude. Tree. Oh my gosh, I love these toys. I love plenty of them.
Daddy, come here. Can you come here really quick?
Somebody check it. Guys, look. Hey, see how I just love these toys and you broke them. You could have sold them to me. Because oh, I love that, bro. It says besides it can't transform.
I know.